Hi, good evening. My name is Dr. Rituja and I am the owner and dentist at Dr. Nisarg Shraza Dental Clinic in Thane. This is my first time making a video because I want to reach out to you guys and let you know more about my dental practice. So starting with why I decided to become a dentist, it's because I have grown seeing my dad, Dr. Nisarg Shah, treat patients and help them overcome their pain. Um, and I've seen some amazing recovery stories, which was very inspiring for me because I always wanted to be a doctor, but dentistry was more special to me because of the things that I had seen and the kind of happiness that I have seen in patients when they recovered, and the respect they had for my dad because of his effort and helping them come out of their pain. So that was something that was a huge motivation for me, and I would wish to continue doing that with my patients. And I completely understand that dentistry can be um, scary for some people, and your anxiety regarding dental treatment is completely understandable. It could be because of a past experience or about hearing about dental treatment of your family or friends, and even in general, dental pain tends to be a lot more, a lot worse than other kinds of treatments that you need to undergo. And also because there is this belief that they're only teeth, it's not really that important. People tend to just keep pushing it until there is a serious problem, unless it becomes extremely painful. So I would just like you to know that I understand that, but nonetheless, our clinic is extremely friendly and welcoming, and our staff is wonderful. They are very good at helping you understand that your pain can be treated, and we put our best efforts to help you get better, and that is the entire driving force for us. That is our motto. So it would be great if you can put in any questions you have or any comments over this video. If you want me to create certain content which you would like to know more about, say any sort of problem you might have regarding dental treatment or any questions you might have regarding that, so please go ahead and put it in the comments below. And you could directly reach out to us as well if you would like to have an appointment. We have an extremely convenient online scheduling of appointments over our website, over Facebook, and even our Google listing. So you're free to do that, and I hope to hear from you. Thank you.